You see the little boy inside, the 25-year-old inside. I don't make him show himself. I'm going to check on him. I want to make him about him on the app. Your phone there. Stop me. Stop touch me now. Stop me. Stop me. I'm going to lie. Stop it now. Stop it. Stop touching my nipple. Me don't want nobody come for my program and go like them want throw shades. No care where y'all keep I ain't coming, I'm going to Sands. The promoter show much love and respect to me. Oh, it's who that go under the sea. Hey girl, know what you say out of your mouth. Know what you say out of your mouth, go under the sea. You take a joke too far now. You take a joke too far. Now you come and you say laugh, you don't know. What do you mean by under the sea? Under your mama blood finger. What do you mean by under the sea? Hey girl, it's above the waters. It's above the... You know, so someone want to drown me. Someone want to drown me. But it not work. It not work. The level of hypocrisy is astounding for my life. Who did know that this cover is a big hypocrite? Who did know that this cover is a big hypocrite? What's it, man? No man, she take a joke too far. You gotta know what you do. My finger them like joke eyes. Me dim your vision. Know what you do. Oh. And that's why I'm not come on live. From me big up yourself, gangster granny large. Yeah, me gangster granny and Plummy used to go to school. Barbie Slims, don't make me rude to you. Barbie Slims, please and thank you. Don't let I rude to you. Oh. Just please and thank you. And this I come seriously. Sometimes I'm gonna take things far. This is serious. Then people, my face not serious. My face not serious. Me not have no more serious. When you come out with this up on the night, I will tell you some suck out in her. Me not have no more serious face. Me not have no more. Work we wanna get. Me not have no more. Work we wanna get. We don't want to go above and beyond. Work we don't want to get. But kinda, not really. No. Work we don't want to get. But not have no more. Is all that about joker face that? You know some face I actually to resemble? For sure. At the part where stressed me in life, that image. Martin, why not back off of the program, little? Eh? Martin, I type to see the 1 cent something them ago. It remind me of Blinger program. Why not back off of the program, little Martin? Ease up. You on Discover. You on Discover, just ease up, little now, please. Cause all I know, no fulfill my life goal. More 5,000 lion, 8,000 universe, 16,000 Zeus. We're not fulfill it. You left Jaden. Me not left Jaden, but right now we are going through a little relationship problem. And through me not eat that girl. Me not run behind no boy with me and mine. Me not run behind no boy with me and mine. And me and mine in them all old people always say 4 will feed a yard not hard for catch. Yeah. Yeah, me and Jaden just go through because support me not keep a relationship on that. Remember no Rosalie and GX this. Yeah, and a 10 point and K. Me not keep my relationship on the app. That's why I keep the relationship. But if Jaden want to tell you know what is what, he can tell you know. Yeah, but me not gonna be the one to be bearer of bad news. Yeah. Me not think like I feel like this year me gonna left Jaden. Me don't want Jaden back in my home. Upon the fridge top me there, Jaden not even elevate me and put me up on the stove. Yeah, from a day with Jaden, my position not change. Right on the fridge top. Yeah, him not even put me up on one of the burner them. I can't bother, I don't want him. And him not good looking too, so my baby now go pretty. My baby I go come out favor lizard, cause mommy favor and daddy favor. So the baby I go come out favor. You have to go return your wedding dress. Then it's you didn't married. But even if you didn't want to take Jaden, you didn't want to mash up the wedding and lucky thing I put it off. But nah bother. You little old busy around robot taxi. You know your clip need an handcuff. Yeah, your clip need an handcuff. Some don't know how you're gonna return your wedding dress when me at her, oh my man. Oh, you did I go? I mean, did I go give you away? Me just want to know if I mean did I go give you away. Come on, if me look like a daddy. Butterfly crutches. You flap your wing for everything where you see stiff. You talk about your Sharon one good girl. You talk about you have to go return your wedding dress. Ain't like me a give away a daddy. I wouldn't give away me that dash away. Me da wait until the garbage truck come. You know the garbage truck was shaped like a long time. Range Rover them. Me da wait until that come and put in the back. Me beg them give a ride. Out of order. Remember your peeping a trickle in a Avon, gosh. You can't hold a fire. No, come in a trouble yo. Me not trouble yo. Me a talk about my individual and you buy out the argument. Like nobody send call you. Ain't got turn your clit in a caterpillar man, you're all too busy like a robot taxi. Ain't you like your license for take on body. Come na man. I only remember come on the live and see him aggressive. I mean not aggressive, you know. But she out to order. That's why I mean not you see the little boy inside, the 25-year-old inside. I don't make him show himself. I'm going to check on him. I want to give him a bone on the app. Hello, Mr. D! Oh. You're friends, man. Your phone there. Stop me now. Stop it! Stop me, I'm on the line. Stop it now. Stop touching my nipple. Take your hand up on my nipple. Stop now. I'm going to live. No, stop now. Yes, switch on my clothes. Yes, switch on. Stop. No, stop now. Yes, switch on my clothes. Stop. I'm so calm. Stop. Let's switch on my clothes. Okay, yes, stitch up my clothes. Yeah, people. He must stitch up my clothes, boy, I just want my son. Can't bother. I will not be a man around me down. I all this about Oscar winner. Now Oscar winner the day I saw real life stuff like this. You play with yourself. After me know you, me know rub my clit till my finger gash. Me know you yet about me and play with myself. Play with who? And you do that. Remember nobody know want you. You know you name Ladybug. Ladybug, your name fit you. Yeah, come and talk about me and play with myself. I hear a job that are you full of rose and dildo. Yeah. I have a stallion inside, the boy at 25 and him want me. I'm full of that. God TikTok I report me again. I can't bother with TikTok shit. Yeah, happy kind of people. May I come back later. What time? May I come back 8 o'clock on the don't gonna bed at holiday. May I come back 8 o'clock. May I go wash out my good all. Cause TikTok ate me for no reason. TikTok come suck up my nasty all. May I come back here, people? 8 o'clock. Yeah.